This is the Geemarc Wake and Shake, the ideal alarm clock for the hard of hearing or the visually impaired. This gadget will never let you oversleep again. The Wake and Shake is powered by the mains. However, you can insert a battery as a backup in case of a power failure. Settings allow you to be woken by an audible alarm. Both the volume and tone are adjustable, or by a bright flashing strobe light, or by a shaking pad under your pillow, or by a mixture of these alarm methods. You can connect the clock to the telephone so that it vibrates to alert you to the phone ringing. It has a great display with very large red numbers. No more problems with bleary eyes in the mornings. There is a 9-minute snooze, just to give you a bit longer before you're waken and shaken again. The Geemarc Wake and Shake. It won't let you sleep through the alarm clock again.